Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing and testing the Viewedge monitor CS27FK, a gaming monitor that's packed with features like 180Hz refresh rate, HDR10, and AMD FreeSync. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who loves a crisp display, this monitor might just be what you've been looking for. Stick around because we're about to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's dive in and see what this monitor could do. First up, let's unbox this beauty. Inside the box, we've got, so I have the piece for the stand right here. You slide out. You have your HDMI cord. You have your power adapter. This is the base of the stand. And now here is the monitor. So you're first going to insert this piece inside to the monitor. You're going to push it in until it snaps in place. So once you feel the snap, the good thing about this stand is that it swivels also. Here's the base. You just insert the base into the hole. And once you push that in, the assembly is done. This is how the front looks. It has a very thin bezel. Build quality is very nice. There's a stand, very sturdy. This is how the back looks. You're able to mount this to mounting on the wall if you want to. And here are your different ports. So here's your power supply, 2 HDMI slots, the display port. It even has a headphone jack right here. And here's your external speakers on this side. Setup is very easy. I'm going to put it in the space that I want it. Now let's talk about the display. The Viewedge CS27FK boasts 110% sRGB color accuracy, which means colors are vibrant and true to life. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, or watching movies, everything looks stunning. And with HDR10 support, you get enhanced contrast and crisp details. Look at those deep blacks and bright highlights. It's like the image just pops off the screen. So you can see right here, this is the menu button. On the back here, there's a physical button to press if you want to open up the menu screen. This is your right and left buttons. The E is for your exit. And then here's your power on button. All right, let's get the fun part, gaming. This monitor features a 180Hz refresh rate and a 3 ms response time, which means ultra smooth gameplay with no lag or motion blur. Whether you're in a fast-paced shooters or immersive RPGs, this monitor keeps up with every move. Check this out. No screen tearing, no stuttering, just buttery smooth action. And thanks to AMD FreeSync, the monitor syncs with your GPU to eliminate screen tearing and deliver seamless performance. But this monitor isn't just for gaming. Let's talk about multitasking. The IPS panel offers wide viewing angles, so whether you're editing videos or working on a spreadsheet or collaborating with a team, the display stays consistent from every angle. And with this eye care technology, including flicker-free display and low blue light mode, you can work or game for hours without straining your eyes. It's perfect for long sessions, whether you're grinding through work or leveling up in your favorite game. Another great feature, the built-in speakers and versatile connectivity options. You got both HDMI and DisplayPort, so you can easily connect your PC, console, or even a second monitor. And if you don't want to clutter your desk with external speakers, the built-in ones deliver decent sound quality for casual use. Hey there, all you new subscribers. Welcome to Davis Review Roundup, where we dive deep into the world of product review. Not bad, right? It's a nice bonus for a monitor in this category. So what's the final verdict? The Viewedge monitor CS27FK is a fantastic all-around monitor that delivers premium performance. With its 180Hz refresh rate, HDR10 support, and AMD FreeSync, and eye care technology. It's perfect for gamers, content creators, and professionals alike. It's packed with features that punch way above its weight class. If you're looking for a monitor that offers incredible value, the Viewedge CS27FK is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description to learn more and grab yours today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.